Hi, my dear students. Um, in this lecture, we are going to discuss about um, the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points. Actually, it's the most easy one, and it's, we have to calculate. It's not just we are measuring, and we use the usual scale and all. If the distance is little more, then it's difficult to calculate through your scales since you don't have that much big scale. So say the distance between 2 points in a plane, call the distance as d. The 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2. Assume is your plane x, x dash and y, y dash. This is p of x1, y1 and x2, y2. And you have to measure the distance between these 2 points, P and Q. The rule for that one is D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 whole power 2. Let's see how we get this rule at the end of this lecture. And now we are going to discuss how to find the distance. Consider 2 points, 2 and minus 3, 5 and 7. And you have to find the distance between these 2 points. Consider it as x1 and y1, x2 and y2. And this is the rule. x1, y1 is 2, minus 3 and x2, y2 is 5, 7. Put these values in place of x1, y1 and x2, y2. This is x2 place it is 5, x1 place it is 2, so 5 minus 2, 3 power 2. And y2 place it's 7, and y1 place is minus 3, so minus minus it become plus. 7 plus 3 it is 10, 3 square 9, 10 power 2 100, hence totally it is 109 units. You have to write units. Okay, find the distance between 0, 1 and minus 4, minus 2. Call these points as x1, y1 and x2, y2. If it is in a graph, right, this become minus 4, minus 2. Okay, so this is minus 4, minus 2. This is 0, 1. 0, 1 means x-axis 0 and y-axis 1. So this is 0, 1. Join these two. We have to find this distance. So write the rule for this. D is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 whole power 2 is equal to square root of x2 minus x1, these two, so minus 4 minus 0 whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1, these two, so it is minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Actually here it is units, right? Units. So it is square root of minus 4 power 2 plus minus 3 power 2. Square root of 16 plus 9, so square root of 25, which is equal to 5. While taking square root, you will get plus or minus, but distance cannot be negative. Take it as plus 5 always. Plus 5 units. Plus 5 units. This is the way you want to find the distance between these 2 points. And this is the distance between these 2 points, say for example, P and Q. Okay, let's come back to your calculator. I do have one calculator. In future, you may create such a calculator, but this is the mechanism behind a creation of such a calculator. So see, 2.0, 1.0, which means 2, 1, okay? 2, 1. And I'm taking another point, 11, 3. The distance between 2, 1 and 11, 3 is 9.220. Using the same rule, right? 11 minus 2 whole power 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole power 2. Take another point. See this one, it's a very nice one, right? The distance between these 2 points. 2, 1, 9, 1. means it is horizontal to x-axis. Horizontal to x-axis. So y value becomes same, 1 and 1. X value differs, 9 and 2. So what's the distance? 9 minus 2, 7. If you calculate through this distance formula also, you will get the same answer. And it is same for y-axis also. See this, 2 and 2, x becomes same, and 4 and 1, y is different. So what's the distance between these 2 points? The difference between the y values, right? 4 minus 3, so sorry, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1, that is 3. If you calculate this through the formula, x2 minus x1 the whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 the whole power 2 with a square root also, you will have the same answer. Consider this one. 2, 1, 8, 6. Use the same rule, x2 minus x1 whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 the whole power 2. You will get 7.810. But usually, if you don't have the calculator, it's not necessary to have any 7.8 or something else. You can stop with the square root. You can stop with the final square root. Okay. Now, let's come back to my older question. How we can derive this formula? Consider y-axis and x-axis our graph sheet. Consider a point, this is x2, comma y2. Consider another point. This point will be x1, comma y1. So what will be this point? x1, right? So this point x2. Here it is y1 and this point will be y2. Join these two by a straight line. We have to find the distance. This is d. Call it as p. Call it as q. Join these two. Here you will get a point of intersection. So this distance will be y2 minus y1. Am I right? Here it is y2, here it is y1. So this is y2 minus y1. So this will be x2 minus x1. And I want to find my d. And this become a right angle triangle. By using Pythagorean theorem, the rule, it is consider some r over here. So pq power 2 is equal to p r power 2 plus r q power 2. pq is d, okay? So d square is equal to pr. pr is x2 minus x1, that is a power 2, so power 2. rq is y2 minus y1, that is a power 2, hence there is a power 2. So d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole power 2 plus y2 minus y1 whole power 2 units, whatever we are giving over here. If it is between two cities, then it become kilometers or miles. Meet you on some other lecture with different concepts. Till that, see you and bye bye.